Hi everyone. In this problem, we're looking at something like a titration. So we can estimate how many milliliters of a particular titrant, so that's in our burette, is required to neutralize a certain volume of a sample. Okay? So what we need to know, we actually don't really, but we can finish off the chemical equation here. We're going to have to balance this, recognizing that we have two equivalents of hydroxide needed to balance out and neutralize this diprotic acid of sulfuric acid. So let's fill in what we know. 0.737 molar sulfuric acid. We're looking at 35 milliliters, and I'm just going to go ahead and write that in liters. And we have a 0.827 molar solution. And we want to know how much of this, so this is what we're trying to find here, question mark, how much of that do we need to neutralize this? So we need to know moles, right? So we're going to get on the mole train, find out moles of hydroxide required, and then work back to this volume. So 0.737 moles per liter. I have 0.035 liters. And so that means I have 0.0258 moles of sulfuric acid. So 0.0258 moles, right? And so how many moles of NaOH are required to neutralize that much? Well, for every 1 mole of H2SO4, I need 2 moles of NaOH. And that means that I will need 0.0516 moles of NaOH, 0.0516 moles, and 0.0516 moles. The molarity of my solution is 0.827 moles per liter. So I would need 0.0624 liters. Converting that to milliliters, we have 62.4 milliliters. So 62.4 milliliters is how much we need. Okay, so we only had to do the kind of stoichiometry required for the reactants here if we wanted to know how much we needed to completely neutralize that acid sample. Okay, I'm going to record one more of these videos with titration data where we're finding the concentration of an unknown. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.